Alright, so which is the better lead generation tool? Is it the Lead Sniper, Google Maps Scraper, or LeadsGorilla? I know how many of you out there have been waiting for this video where we need to pick the better lead generation tool between Lead Sniper and LeadsGorilla. These two softwares are considered to be a good lead gen tool, and that's why I took my time to experience using this tool so I can share my review about them with you. So firstly, let's talk about the Lead Sniper tool. The Lead Sniper tool is a very powerful software built to scrape leads from different platforms such as Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Yellow Pages, and many other social media sites that you can think of. Now you see, this is a very robust software to cover in just one single video, and that's why I decided to make review videos about the software, comparing it with other similar softwares. Now let's take a look at just one of its scraping tools, which is the Google Maps Scraper. So we'll compare the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper with that of LeadsGorilla. Let's see which of these tools is optimized for efficiency and user satisfaction. So I have both scraping tools right here. I'll go ahead and open up the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper right here on my computer, and here you see what it looks like. And in case you want to learn how to install this tool into your computer, I have several videos combined into a playlist which you can watch after this video to learn how to get full access to this powerful scraping tool. Now you see what the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper dashboard looks like. A very easy to understand one, no technical tricks required. All you need to do is to give this tool the questions that you need answers to. Now let's take a look at this. You see this box right here, it says one keyword per one line. Simply what this means is that the kind of leads you're trying to search for using this tool is what you're going to be inputting into this box. So basically you can be asking yourself, what is the niche keyword? Okay, now for the purpose of this video, I already have my keywords here. So you see this right here. Okay, this is the keyword that I will give this tool, and before you know it, this tool will start providing me with the result. So like I said here, that I need leads of beauty salon in Alabama. All right, you can see the next line. I also said I need leads of day spa in Alaska. The third line also says I need leads of barbershops in Arizona. So all you need to do is to input the keyword rightly. So the first thing you want to input is you want to input the business niche. What kind of leads or what kind of niche are you trying to get your leads from? Then followed by your desired location. So this would actually tell the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper where and what kind of leads it should be providing you with. So you want to make sure you have all those keywords ready, and mind you, you have no limitations to how many keywords you can input here on this tool. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to copy them, okay, and I'm going to paste them into the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper tool. So this is looking good already. So now that we have those keywords already on our tool, I can go ahead and click on start, and that's all. No technical push, no coding or tedious work required from me. Just give this tool your request and it will grant it for you. Now, so join me to click on start and let's see this tool in action. Now you can see this is what I am talking about. We have the tool scraping all things scrapable on Google Maps. All right, you can see these are business data being scraped. Potential customers data is what we are getting from using the Google Maps Scraper. This tool can go all day helping you find targeted leads until you yourself you're satisfied with its results. And if you think this is not fast enough, right, maybe you want this to be much more faster, or you want to get your leads really fast, okay, you need to wait until I show you this. Okay, so this is a feature that LeadsGorilla don't have. I mean, the LeadsGorilla software don't have this feature that the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper has, which is the ability to find more leads and get thousands of leads in minute. So come over to a new different browser, okay, on your computer. So depending on the plan you choose to go with Lead Sniper, you have access to use up to 10 different browsers to find leads from Google Maps. So I'll go ahead and open up this tool right here on a different browser, and I'll just repeat the same thing again by pasting the keywords right here. Now please, I need you to pay attention to this. All right, you can see that I have the same keywords on the first browser and also on the second browser, right? So please make sure to have a different keyword from your first browser unless you want to be getting the same result as the first. So now I'll go ahead and click on start on the second browser. So now you see this software is already working on a different browser, helping me to find targeted leads based on my keyword. So you can see two browsers are running out well. So while this is working, we can go ahead and take a look at LeadsGorilla, and maybe when we are done with that, we can come back here and I'll show you the result and also tell you some other things you need to know about the software. So quickly, let's go take a look at LeadsGorilla, what this tool is also capable of doing, and also if this tool really outperforms the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraping tools. So come over to LeadsGorilla, and yeah, you're going to be finding a lot of information about the LeadsGorilla, what it is, what it does, and also how much the software costs. Now you see, this is what the dashboard of the software looks like, and here you see that all we need to do right now is to input your keyword. But mind you, please, you need to pay to get access to this dashboard. You need to have money, all right? You need to buy the software for you to have a dashboard that looks like this. All right, so now you can see this is what the dashboard looks like, right? And what you need to do right now is you want to input your keyword. Okay, so unlike Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, I don't think the software has the ability to process multiple keywords at a go. So you might have to input your keywords one at a time. So once you've been able to finish one keyword, you can go back and also use another keyword. And to me, this can be time consuming and, let's say, a little bit stressful. So why can't you just input all the keywords you want to use on the software at once and allow the software do its work? So unlike Lead Sniper, you can see you have access to view the result individually. Okay, so some other information about each business profile, you would have to go through them individually so that you get to choose yourself which one you want to work with and the ones you don't want to work with. And another thing about this tool is that I can't seem to find any bulk export here. So let's say I want to export all the results that I have from this tool. Basically, I can't see any button that is telling me to do that. So let's say I want to download my result as a CSV. I can do that right here on this software, okay? But on Lead Sniper, that feature is available. So on Lead Sniper, you can also export your data as a CSV downloaded into your computer. Now, comparing to finding thousands of leads in a very short period of time, I think Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper will be rated high. The LeadsGorilla software and also Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper are both powerful tools for finding leads online. Okay, so both tools have their own uniqueness and strength, right? So, but Lead Sniper is widely known for its much more strength in finding leads compared to LeadsGorilla. Just apart from the fact that you can find leads on Google Maps, you can also find leads from other sources using the Lead Sniper tools. So now let's see how far the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper has gone with generating targeted leads for us. Now you see, guys, we have thousands of leads already gotten in a very short period of time, and you can see I have not even exhausted all my keywords. Okay, you can see not all 16 keywords have been used, and you can see that thousands of data has already been gotten. The first browser here has close to 5,000 leads scraped, and the second browser has up to 3,000 leads scraped. So you can see how super fast and how super easy it is for you to start generating countless and thousands of leads effortlessly without any stress. So like I said, these are some of the features that I wish LeadsGorilla had, but they don't have. But Lead Sniper do have them. Multiple browsers and also like maximum strength in finding leads for you. So all of this data was gotten in a few minutes. Now to get them downloaded into your computer for further usage, okay, you can download this result as a CSV format by clicking on export right here. And once you do that, you have the option to select what and what you want to have downloaded. Things like names, emails, phone contact, website URL, Facebook URL, LinkedIn URL, YouTube URL, Instagram URL, doesn't really matter. Whatever thing you want to basically export, you can do that right here using this tool. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on select all. And once I'm done, okay, I'm going to go ahead and download and click on download as CSV. Now you see we have all our data downloaded into our computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up and show you guys what the result looks like. And that's it. You can see compared to LeadsGorilla, where you're actually going to be finding the details, all right, of your leads on your dashboard. Okay, here on Lead Sniper, you can also download it into your computer. So let's say you want to sell this, or maybe you want to give it out to somebody else, you can basically do that. And now, guys, you can see that this is actually all the data that we have scraped from Google Maps. All the necessary information on all our targeted leads found on Google Maps. So you can see we have information such as the business name, city, states, phone numbers, emails, and also social media handles. So based on what you chose, okay, when downloading, you're going to be finding all the data right here. So you see what the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper is capable of doing and the result it can provide you with in a matter of time. So like I said, LeadsGorilla and Lead Sniper, they are both powerful software. So both of these tools actually have their uniqueness and their strength. But I tell you, more people rate Lead Sniper when it comes to finding a lot of leads. I mean, when it comes to getting thousands in minute, Lead Sniper is just the best tool to use. And I tell you, this is a software I also make use of, all right, and also make use of for my client, and so many other persons also testify of the software. So you can go ahead and check these two softwares out, and please make sure to pick the one that best suits you. And also considering their pricing plans, okay, on Lead Sniper, all you have to do is to just pay a one-time fee, right, and you'd have access to using this tool for a lifetime. You get to enjoy things like future update and so many other great features. So depending on the plan, you are not limited to the kind of leads that you'll be getting. So it doesn't really matter if you're making use of the lesser plan here, all right, you're also going to be using it for unlimited leads. You don't have to be restricted, unlimited leads for a lifetime. So more videos about Lead Sniper and so many other similar tools will be coming up shortly. So if you want to see content like this, smash the like button, subscribe, and drop me your question or drop me a nice comment in the comment section below. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.